Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix an inaccessible microSD card, which can't be read or written to, and refuses to format. If you're dealing with this frustrating issue, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. First, insert your problematic microSD card into your computer. I use a Dell Laptop with Windows 11 Pro, but these steps should work on any Windows 10 or 11 machine. You might see that the card is not fully detected or get an automatic prompt asking you to format the card. Now, check Windows Explorer. You'll see the drive there, but when you try to access it, you can't. Right-click on the drive and try formatting it. Unfortunately, you'll probably get an error. As you can see, we got an error message saying, Windows was unable to complete the format. This is where most people get stuck. Don't remove the malfunctioning microSD card just yet. Instead, download a software tool called Revitalize from https://revitalize.com. This software is designed to repair storage devices like microSD cards. Install the software you just downloaded. Don't worry about the demo and its name, it works perfectly fine for our purposes. Once installed, open Revitalize. You'll need to wait for a 15-second countdown before you can proceed. After the countdown, choose your malfunctioning microSD card from the top drop-down menu. In my case, it's the D drive, a 32GB microSD card. Click the Start button to begin the repair process. Next, choose the Scan and Repair, Write Test option. This is necessary because the microSD card has a serious error that's preventing it from functioning properly. Once you've selected that option, press the Start button again to initiate the repair process. A warning will appear, letting you know that all data on the drive will be erased. Click Yes to proceed. Now, just sit tight while the software repairs your microSD card. Once it's done, you'll see a summary of the scan results. Click OK to exit back to the main menu. You can now close Revitalize. Next, try formatting the microSD card again. Right-click on the drive and choose Format. Stick with the default settings, FAT32 and Quick Format checked, then click OK. Again, confirm that all data will be erased. Success. You should see a Format Complete message. Now, test the microSD card by copying some files onto it. As you can see, the card is now accessible and working as expected. Finally, don't forget to safely eject the microSD card by right-clicking and choosing Eject. Your repaired microSD card is now ready to be used in a smartphone, digital camera, or even a Raspberry Pi. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.